Hi, welcome. My name is Juliet Norton, and I am your instructor for Project and Human-Computer Interaction Requirements and Evaluation. So this is a video online lecture for the April 2nd, 2019 class, which was supposed to be held face-to-face, but because I am out of town the first week, we will be holding the first week's coursework online on Canvas. So to get started, I wanted to show you what today's agenda is. So we'll do an introduction to the course, specifically to me and your TA. I'll give you an overview of the course and then go into some detail about your team project that you will be working on over the course of the quarter. So you're your teaching staff, so I am Juliet. I graduated from UCI last quarter with a PhD in informatics. This is the first time I am teaching this particular class, but it is built off of several other professors' model of this course. All of you should have taken 131, and this is a continuation of that class. Generally, the different instructors of 131 and 132 communicate about the courses and try to keep the education consistent across the different instructors, so that when you complete these groupings of courses, you will have a similar knowledge and experience set as your peers who took the courses under different instructors. However, if you feel like you're completely unprepared for some portion of this class, please let me know via email, or you can see me after class next week. So a little bit about myself. I have more than 10 years on user experience design. From 2007 to 2009, I was research staff at University of Central Florida in their Institute for Simulation and Training, and I worked on augmented and mixed and virtual reality simulations for science center education, military simulations, and physical and mental rehabilitation. Later, during my tenure at UCF as a graduate student in computer science, I studied and developed virtual educational experiences and games using 2D and 3D user interfaces. I graduated from UCI with a PhD in informatics, during which time I spent 5 years getting to know 2 grassroots sustainable agriculture communities and designing and developing information technologies that address their specific information challenges and supported their values. Our TA is Purna Singh, and she is a master's student in software engineering, and you can reach her at this email address if you need to get in touch with her. There will not be any discussion sections this week, so you will see her next week for the first time as well, week 2. So basically the purpose of this course is to engage in a project that simulates what an HCI researcher or user experience engineer does in the real world. And before we get into that, I'd like to take a quick survey of the students so we can understand your prior knowledge on the course. This is for participation credit only. Please do not reference materials from the past, of course, nor watch part of this presentation before answering this question. If you do your homework, if you will, before answering this question, it will prevent us from getting a good sense for the starting point of the class.